Lichens, world of lichen. Introduction, classification, reproduction, economic importance. Lichens is not a single organism. Rather, it is a symbiosis between different organisms, a fungus and alga or cyanobacterium. Cyanobacteria are sometimes still referred to as blue-green algae, though they are quite distinct from the algae. The non-fungal partner contains chlorophyll and is called phycobiont. Lichens are small, non-muscular plants found on bank of trees, ground, rock, fences, roofs, and other man-made objects. These are the photographs of lichens. Taxonomy and classification. Fungal taxa and their families are noted here. Morphological types of lichens. Lichens occur in one of four basic growth forms: crustose, scammulose, foliose, and fruticose. Crustose lichen. Crust-like growing light tight against the substratum. For example, Graphis, Leuconora, Hematoma. Fruticose. Free standing branching tube branches cylindrical to ribbon-like in forms. For example, Usnea and Ivernia. Reproduction. Asexual reproduction by means of Soredia, Isidia, Soralia, Pseudocephalia, Cephalia, and Cilia. Soredia, grayish, minute, rounded bud-like outgrowth, develop on surface of thallus, fall on suitable substratum to germinate. Isidia, coral-like outgrowth, develop from thallus, help in photosynthesis. Like Soredia, they are easily dispersed. Sexual reproduction found only in mycobiont, fertilization, organ spermatogonia and ascogonia, reproduction called spermatization. Ascocarp may be apothecium of perithecium or an ascostroma. Lichen sexual reproduction, apothecium and perithecium. Economic importance of lichen, soil formation and growth of new vegetation, enriched by forming humus. Food contain lichen carbohydrate compound. In Ireland, Sweden, Norway, Cretaria islandica is taken as a food. South India, species of Parmelia is used in making delicious curry. Reindeer moss, the only fodder for reindeer and cattle during winter. Medicine. Peligera canina is used for hydrophobia. Species of Caledonia centraria for intermittent fever and as a laxative. Lobaria pulmonara for lung diseases. Dyes and perfumes. Rochella tinctoria yields litmus commonly used as an indicator. Rochella species gives orchil used in dyeing woolen and fabrics. Contain scleroresinous substances used in perfumery. As a pollution indicator, lichens are killed by low level of sulfur dioxide. Accumulated sulfur dioxide within their thalli. Geological estimation, lichens with known slow growth rates like Rhizocarpon, Geographicum have been used to estimate the dates of geological events such as the retreat of glacier. Recent discoveries of lichen named after Barack Obama. Kalapalka Obami. Thank you.